Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Credit Karma Tax for investment returns, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in the URL for Credit Karma Tax and hit enter. Once the home page loads, look for the option to sign up or get started. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email address that you have access to. Next, create a strong password for your account. Follow the instructions to confirm your password. After your email and password are set, click on the Continue button. You may need to provide your phone number for verification purposes. Enter your phone number and select your preferred method for receiving a verification code. Once you receive the code via text or call, input it into the designated field. With your identity verified, you will be asked to provide some personal information. Fill in your first and last name, along with your social security number. Ensure all entered data is accurate to avoid future tax-related issues. After that, provide your address and any relevant filing status information. Once completed, review all information to confirm its accuracy. Click on the Continue button to proceed to the next step. You might be asked if you have any investment income to report. Answer the question truthfully to proceed with the investment returns section. If you have invested, you will need to gather necessary documents such as 1099 forms. Follow the prompts to input your investment information as guided by the platform. Once all investment data is entered, make sure to review all details again. Finally, you will have the option to submit your return once everything is confirmed. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Credit Karma Tax for investment returns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.